After uKayise was called to come and eat, it looks like ulambe kakhulu unaleyo ndlala leyo efuna ukudla okuningi, and then the next thing uyazigwadisa sekathi yena ubuyela ekamereni. And then nakhona this happened shortly after atshela uma wakhe ukuthi she's going through ama-period pain. So manje uma wakhe uyamkhulumela ukuthi hayi no, don't worry, it's just that it's that time of the month, so amadoda needs to understand and then just keep it cool because kuye kuze kuthule. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, abusheni, molweni, minjani? Yibukela hingongwina. So namuhla ka ngokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors ikuma ku risho la sitshamiseka kahle. There is photographs that Mr. Mayor found officini yakasiza, and then he realized, he put 2 and 2 together to find out ukuthi no man, these photos were photoshopped, because what is on Facebook is exactly the same with the pictures that were found in Caesar's office. Now girlfriend wake uMatha would say you need to be careful about this whole thing because it can backfire. And quite frankly, masibhekisisa kahle, knowing uCaesar the kind of a person he is, Mr. Mayor aganabufakazi obtain, all he has is pictures. That means nothing. Then Mayor decided to go back to Caesar and say, I do apologize for not pitching for umhlangano wethu, but uCaesar was not having it. He has to chase him away and say, lalela, nyamalala, disappear. I don't want to see you and I'm not doing this again. And then uCaesar had that fake smile to show that I've got something on you that you don't know. On the other hand, loba mpromotile esikhundleni ukuthi uzobe supervisor akatholakala indawo, and no one is bothering about what is happening about him, but everyone's just worried ukuthi I can be the next supervisor. On the other hand, again, Thandiswa is trying to make friendship with this guy and he's just not having it. Yo,